Okay, this is all the bird feeders been sitting here waiting for assembly, and now we're going to show you the process. So we unpack the tray, like so, and then we put the UPC sticker on the side, and then it's ready to go to the next pile. Now, those are already stickered, so what we do next is we unpack the pole kit, and you see it right here. Don't take it out of the plastic, please. Then we put them in there sideways so they'll fit. I'm gonna move around so I can get a better look. Get that on the bar. There we go. And then we walk them over to the final station where they get packaged, be shipped. Not much of a factory assembly line just yet, but you get the general idea. So here's the carton, and we're going to assemble the carton and get it ready to put the bird feeder in it to seal it. We already have one done, and it's down here in a stack, and we'll start stacking more. So stay tuned.